crisis, no? Family situation for water signs, please. Family situation for water signs. So, let's see. So, the artist, right? No? So, ang nakikita ko dito, no, for some of you, water signs, nagkakaroon ng, kumbaga ay sabihin natin na pagdating sa business, ano man itong mga pinagkakaabalahan within the family, no? Siguro for some of you, may family business kayo at nagtutulungan kayo para magkaroon ng magandang outcome, or maybe kayo mismo gumagawa ng mga products ninyo. Nagiging more artistic, no, for some of you, no, mga water signs, no? So, nagsishare kayo ng mga ideas for some of you, no, within the family, no, regarding sa kung ano man meron na kailangang i-share, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? Hindi madamot, no? For some of you, nagsishare ng mga ideas, no? Within the family, of course, no? So, what else? So, you have this crossing, no? For some of you naman, maybe for some of you, may travel na mangyayari sa inyo ng family ninyo, or maybe for some of you, may mga family members kayo na malayo, right? No? But then, with this, no, kung makikita mo, kahit sabihin nating may boundaries, may malayo, no? Hindi nawawala ang communication, right? Ganun pa rin, no? Kumbaga, walang hadlang, no, within the family, no? Talagang laging updated, no, for some of you, right? And then for some of you naman, ang nakikita ko rito, no, mayroon kayong family member na malungkot na maybe nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa, nalulungkot na siya, no? Maybe ay pwede niyo siyang kamustahin din, no, for some of you, no, mga water signs natin, right? No? So medyo nalulungkot itong tao na ito, no? Itong family member ninyo, right? No? So let's see. Ano naman pagdating sa friends ninyo, mga water signs. So kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, water signs, for your friend situation. No? Ano bang meron pagdating sa mga friends ninyo, mga water signs natin? Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, water signs. Anong ganap, no, sa mga kaibigan ninyo pagdating sa inyo? Tignan natin. So, you have this Queen of Cups. No? So, for some of you, no, makikita mo rito, no, suportado kayo din ng mga friends niyo. Nagsusuportahan kayo at